Forest and Range Evaluation Program is about the stewardship of British Columbia's natural resources. Using science-based monitoring and evaluation indicators, we assess the sustainability of forest and range policies and practices on key resource values such as biodiversity, cultural heritage, and water quality.
As Director of Resource Practices Branch, I'm very proud of the Forest and Range Evaluation Program accomplishments and its ongoing focus on excellence, quality, and continuous improvement. Achieving the Gold Trophy of Canada Awards for Excellence has been a great honor for the staff who collect the resource stewardship monitoring data in the field and for those who manage the program. This level of recognition is an important message for British Columbians that the monitoring of their natural resources is of the highest quality.
We assess forestry disturbed areas for sediment generation that can potentially impact fish habitat and drinking water sources.
We monitor the impacts of resource development on cultural heritage values such as trails, culturally modified trees, plants, spiritual areas, and other features. This work helps ensure we can properly manage for First Nations needs and values.
British Columbia streams are critical habitat for salmon and other wildlife, and an important source of drinking water. Riparian monitoring is determining whether forest and range practices are maintaining streams in properly functioning condition.
There are over 80 species of wildlife that rely on dead and dying trees for their habitat needs. Our biodiversity monitoring assesses the amount and quality of reserve areas, wildlife trees, and coarse woody debris left after harvesting.
Visual quality monitoring looks at designated scenic landscapes and evaluates whether visual quality objectives have been achieved. Through these evaluations, we can identify possible issues and can develop tools and techniques to enable resource managers to better achieve objectives.
Soil monitoring is determining whether forest practices are preventing excessive soil disturbance that would impact long-term productivity and hydrologic function. We combine high-definition imagery with field observation to assess permanent access structures, soil disturbance, and organic matter retention.
Timber resource monitoring assesses the impacts of harvesting and silvicultural activities on the health, diversity, and productivity of our forests, and identifies continuous improvement opportunities that will help ensure sustainable long-term timber production.
Our range monitoring is determining the impact of cattle grazing on desired plant succession and hydrologic function.